Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are stuck in quarantine, everybody. So let's do this. I will be doing 4 rare cat capsule draws in this new collab. This was originally a Japanese collab from Battle Cats, but now I hope to get something at least good. I'll do 4 capsules, 3 I've saved, and one I'll do from cat food. Let's go. Oh. Stuck in quarantine, man. Oh, what's this? Nice music. This is a super rare, but I don't think I would need it because it's not good. Okay, another one. Second one. Oh, apple cat. I like this cat because it's anti-floating, I guess. Anti-red, yes, it's a very good cat. I should use it. Now let's see a rare, I guess, or a super rare. Yeah, rare. I already have that. I'll exchange it. I don't care. Last draw. Now please give me at least something good. I think I already have this. No, I don't have this, but it's bad. Okay guys, that's the video. I'll upload a video tomorrow also, I guess. Give me ideas. Okay guys, bye, see you again on the next episode of Battle Cats. Okay. First let's do this free 5 cat food. Where's the apple cat? I'll upgrade the apple cat. I was originally going to upgrade Bahamut cat, but now apple cat and Miku cats also. I was going to upgrade them, but later now. Where is it? It will take a long time though. Let's do it anyways. Okay. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel. I need 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year.